Okay, so as you can see, the council off again in their wisdom cut down the privet hedge, which means that my little naked sunbathing area over there is now completely visible. As you can see, there's gaps everywhere. So I am planning on putting 2 doors up against the old fence to secure it.
So, Tristan's at work here. What are you doing, Tristan?
Get those doors. I'm going to get another door now. I'm going to put that there.
So he's going to put that there, and apparently he wants to tie one of the doors to that. So we wish him well, and I'll come and video from time to time to see his progress.
Yes, as you can see, I've the doors that I took off our room, I've put them against the fence. I've got some string as well and some scissors, so I'm going to try and secure it a little bit more. Oh, by the way, there's a tomato plant that grew out of our drains.
Yay, it's sewer tomato. We love a sewer tomato. They're more flavorful, they're larger, are great in salads. But remember, wash first.
Okay, so I've put 2 up. There's another one. There's one more still to come, possibly. Only problem is, I've just realised that having the door handle does mean that it's going to be now very easy for people to use it to get up and jump over the fence. So it's actually, I'm now going to, I think I'm going to have to unscrew the door handles. I have tied this one up already, but I haven't made it too tight, so I can undo it easily. Okay, so check this out. Last screw. This will now come off really easily. Hang on, let's undo this. That should all fall off. Soak my nuts in honey and call me MacGyver 2.0. It's out. Alright, so I've done it. Check that out. It's now, can't really see, I mean you could see, and if you got really close to this prickly hedge you could probably see me sunbathing there. But overall, obviously the people upstairs can see me, but I'm not so bothered about them. Yeah, that's pretty good. And it's look at that, so simple. Just 2 doors, string tied to the drain pipe. It's brilliant. And now check out my handiwork from the other side. Look at that. That is pretty secure. You could strum a bass on that. Look at that. And it's also keeping the fence up. Obviously it's falling down a bit on that side, but this will withhold a moderate wind. It might come down if there's anything really strong, but the main thing is there's my sunbathing area. Of course, having these doors here does block out the sunlight a little bit, but that's not the point. I can be naked and only bother about 20% of my neighbours instead of almost 100% as it was before they took the hedge down. Okay, well, there you go. As you can see, he who dares wins, and he who wins gets no tan lines. It's not bad. It will do. Could be better. Here it's too. Oh look, got little tomatoes growing. Fantastic. Sewer tomatoes. Just noticed that. Yeah, it's just fine. I mean, as I said, I'm only offending about those people upstairs. Well, I will do when I take this off. Whereas before I was offending about 80% of my neighbours. But on the whole, I'm quite happy with my contraption. So, bottoms up.